This is the basement subfloor we had to install. This is the crack in the foundation seam that let in the water that needed to be drained by installing the basement subfloor. This is the dripping water that comes in through the crack in the foundation seam, causing a moisture problem, which is why we installed the basement subfloor. This is the gutter bypass we had to retrofit on the roof, causes the dripping water that seeps through the cracks in the foundation, which is why we installed the basement subfloor. This is the ice dam that we thought was caused by the gutter, which is why we built the gutter bypass, which now causes the dripping water that enters through the cracks and seeps under the basement subfloor. This is the ceiling under the roof, which leaked because of the ice dam, which is why we built the gutter bypass that got us the dripping water that seeps through the cracks and goes under the basement subfloor. This is the shed roof with the compromised thermal barrier above the ceiling, which leaked because of the ice dam, which is why we built the gutter bypass that got us the dripping water that seeps through the cracks and goes under the basement subfloor. This is the recessed halogen lighting that pours heat into the ceiling cavity that flows to the shed roof with the compromised insulation, which melted the snow, causing the ice dam, which now bypasses the gutter, drips onto the ground, and seeps through the cracks, which is why we had to install the basement subfloor for $3,000. These are the cool running $125 LED retrofit lights that generate very little heat, which could have saved us from the ice dam and the gutter bypass, which caused the drips that seep through the cracks, which is why we installed the basement subfloor. And this is the ski vacation we didn't take because we spent a lot of money on the wrong problem. Just another lesson on the complexities and interconnectedness of this ecosystem we call our house. Is it rocket science? Maybe not, but it's still pretty darn complex. EnergyCircle.com